Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy Runga Junior, yes sir. So I am back with the first prank, yes sir. I'll be doing pranks from now on. I'll be pranking my mom today, telling her that I'm a quit school and some shit like that, but it's a prank. So make sure to like this video and make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe there, comment down below, share with your friends and family. Thank you.
Shout out this shit that I'm kicking it legendary. Javinci, Jumanji, we splashing blue honey. Got gold on my neck cause I'm legendary.
Runga you further, yes sir. Runga you further.
Versace medallion. Oh, gold on my neck like a Florida boy. Oh, think twice when you jump in that water boy.
It's about to go down.
Mom. Hey mom, see, yabona ukuthi esikoleni nje mara kunzima njani ngithi mfo. Ifila nje yabuya nje.
Manje
Awungisilisa mina.
ngiyakuthola.
Hayi. Ziyabuya inkinga nje uma ngicabanga ukusilisa isikole.
Ngiyakuthola.
Mama mara nasibuya kangaka manje ngiyenze njani lokho ngisibeka kanjani?
Awa, kushube. Ukusanga ngigcina kwasile.
Mama uyabona ukuthi sibuya njani phela nje kuyakhuphukela nje ngicabanga ukusilisa mina.
Ngiyakuthola basi. Awa, ngiyakuthola mina. Ngibhale imali ngazizingakashuyile isikole phakathi. Awa, ngiyakuthola.
Kana ngekho uzangiwasilisa mhlambe ekhaya.
Ayekho wasiyeke. Ngiyabona bekheni basicedile isikole. Bangatholi umbereko mara angingani ngathi isikole.
Kusho ukuthi vele mama nanoma sikhuphukela sobo selengicubeke ngiye.
Yeah. Qhubeka boy. No worries.
Phela mama ziyabuya nje.
Akungani kamara zibuye ziyabuya bezihlale kuhle.
Kusho ukuthi ngingenzi YouTube vele ngisilisa.
Awa. Chupo. Awa.
Ne-forex call.
Awa.
Yenze.
Awa. Kusesikolweni basi. Nanti ushiyele isikole. Nawe uyele isikole kusho ukuthi uyazi ukuthi.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hlala namhlanje ngalo ngafundi. Ngafundi isikole. Angihlali naye.
Alright. It's a prank. It's a prank. Hey, all. I risk this all for you all. Here's the camera, mama. This camera was on. I risk this all for you guys. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and the comment. Bye.